Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll perform maintenance on the mixing system.
For this, we'll need these tools and materials: 17 and 19 mm combination wrenches, a pulley puller, a hammer, a 3 mm Allen wrench, internal snap ring pliers, a screwdriver, a utility knife, lubricating oil, penetrating spray, and a bearing removal sleeve.
We will begin the maintenance of the mixing system by loosening the locking screws for the gear coupling and the fastening screws for the hydraulic motor. At this particular stage of the process, it will not be necessary to remove the hydraulic hoses that are connected to the motor unit. Following this, we are going to proceed with the removal of both of these components. If it becomes necessary, the gear coupling can be carefully removed using the pulley puller. Subsequently, we will then remove the shaft guard and the clevis bushings. Using a screwdriver, we will remove the clip size changes if necessary. The clip bushing can be removed with the pulley puller. At this point, it's crucial to take the opportunity to thoroughly inspect the condition of both spindle ends. If the axle is in good condition, we'll then proceed with its cleaning and lubrication, along with the rest of the maintenance. Otherwise, we highly recommend taking this chance to replace it right now. Should it be necessary, you may replace or reposition the motor's shaft ends. We will need to perform its removal from the tank's lower section. To achieve this, we can either remove the tank's top cover or access it through the equipment's own hatch. When performing the replacement, it is crucial to pay close attention to the proper fitting of the flanges between the shaft end and the mixer shaft. Once the slide bushings have been removed, we will proceed with their maintenance. We'll start by disassembling all the internal components located within them, specifically the retaining ring, the bearings, and the oil seal. Next, we will perform the cleaning, lubrication, and the assembly of the new seals and bearings. Now we're going to proceed with the reassembly of the sealing system, and the first step is to make the cut of the gasket and then assemble it onto its base. Sunpub, adasma sizing, With the toggle clamps already positioned, we will proceed with the reassembly of the toggle clamp bushings and then uniformly tighten the adjustment nuts. Should it be necessary, it remains possible to fine-tune the tightness of the clamps after the equipment's very first operation. After assembly and adjustment, we can resecure the shaft's protective cover. Now let's position the motor shaft key and then couple the gear coupling. It's very important that the rear part of the coupling gear is positioned against the shaft shoulder. To finalize this maintenance procedure, we will resecure the hydraulic motor once again and then proceed to tighten the locking bolts of the gear coupling assembly.